infiltrated pitch back bonds and
at 20 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
side look. But there are
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Williamstown, Falmouth, Dry Ridge, Morgan, Corinth, Belfort, Stewartsville, Cherry Grove, Northcutt, Williamstown Lake, Knoxville, Marcus, Kiefer, Canton Northward, Gene Snyder Airport, Lawrenceville, and Cordova. This includes I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 143 and 116. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KZZ48, Wilmington, Kentucky, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeastern
Everything went
Indiana.
off.
Tonight, partly
I
cloudy,
mean, not.
showers and thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ripley County, southwestern Dearborn County, northwestern Switzerland County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm is located 7 miles south of Wilmington until 5:45 p.m.
See another storm warning from my county. Oh my god.
Source, radar indicated at 10 miles an hour. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Our wind gusts. Locations impacted include Versailles, Farmers Retreat, Impact, Versailles Lake, Crossland, Lawrenceville. Locations impacted include Versailles, Farmers Retreat, Friendship, Versailles Lake, Cross Plains, Rexville, Van Ham, Molina New Area. Kentucky, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Switzerland County, Southern Canton County, Southern Boone County, Northwestern Grayson. Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located northeast of Central Gallatin County until 5:45 p.m. Hazard 560 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. 60 miles an hour impacted include Williamstown, radar indicated and then impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Ryle, impacted include Southern Ryle, US Route 127, Dry Ridge, Glencoe, Stewartsville, Ryle, Big Bone Lick, Interstate 31 and US Route 100 the following in Central Bottom, Kentucky between mile markers I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 159 and 174. Kentucky between mile markers 59 and 77. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 159 and 174. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ripley County, southwestern Dearborn County, northwestern Switzerland County until 5:45 p.m. Southeastern Ripley County, northwestern Switzerland County until 8:45 p.m. At 5:13 p.m. radar indicates southeastern storms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. The expected indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen in the Warren area. The expected rainfall is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Warren area. Source, flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Small creeks and streams. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Streets and other The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Campbell County. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Campbell County. 7 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near
Pendleton County
until 35 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour. Source radar indicated 35 miles an hour. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations and paths include Williamstown, Walton, Clintonville, Crittenden, damage to trees and power lines. Stewartsville. Locations and paths include Williamstown, Clinton, Bracknell, Gardnersville, White Villa, Campbell County Lake, Fitchburg, Sherryburg, Chairman, Greenwood, and Aspen Grove. This includes a 75 and 75 mile markers between mile markers 153 and 169. Flood advisory for southwestern airborne, southeastern Ripley and northwestern Switzerland counties has been replaced with a flash flood warning.
All right.
National Weather tonight in western Grant County, southern Kenton County, until 8:30 p.m. 8 hours. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Claremont County, central Brown County, until 7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Georgetown, moving north at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Mount Orab, Hammersville, State Route 32 at U.S. Route 68, Faithburg, Lake Winoka, New Hope, and Locust Ridge. National Weather Service temperature was 80 advisory for the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hamilton County, southeastern Butler County, northern Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mason, Lebanon, Sharonville, Monroe, Blue Ash, Loveland, Reading, Montgomery, Madeira, Milford, Deer Park, Lancaster, Westchester, Terrace Park, Batavia, Morrow, Camp Dennison, High Point, Remington, and Concord Hills. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 12 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 21 and 29.